Okay, students, I believe that you are doing well. So for our lesson of today, we are going to look at measuring length. How do we measure length? Now, when we measure length, we can use non-standard units and standard units. Now, when we use non-standard units, so we can use any objects to measure the length of another object. So you use objects to measure the length of another object. For instance, we can use a button, we can use a paperclip, we can use a cube, we can use a pencil. All it's up to you. You can use anything else. You can use books, you can use anything. You know, these are non-standard units. But then when we use standard units, then we have to use specific tools for measuring using standard units. So for instance, we can use a meter ruler, okay? So a meter ruler, we will get units in meters or centimeter. We can use a ruler, we get the length in centimeters or millimeters. We can use measuring tape, or we can use metal measuring tape. We are going to see how to use all of these tools. But for now, we are going to focus on using non-standard units. Okay. Now, we are having a stapler. Okay. So we need to know what is the length of this stapler. Okay. Now let's use paper clips. So you see, those are 4 paper clips. You see from where it is starting from here up to where it is ending. You see, we are having 4 paper clips. Now we can say that this stapler is 4 paper clips long. We can say that it is 4 paper clips long. Okay. Now, when we are using non-standard units, if we choose to use, let's say, a paper clip, we must make sure that the paper clips we use, they are the same. Okay. So we can say that the stapler is about 4 paper clips long. Okay. Now look at this colored pencil. So we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where it is beginning from up to where it is ending from, you see that it is about 5 paper clips long. Okay. I hope you understand that. Look at this photo frame. So when we use cubes to measure the length of this photo frame, then we will have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. You see, when we use cubes, there will be 12. But when we use pencils, there will be 3. You see? So we can say that the photo frame is about 12 cubes long. It is about 12 cubes long. But at the same time, it is about 3 pencils long. So we can say that the photo frame is about 3 pencils long. Okay. So when we are using these kind of non-standard units, as I told you, we must make sure that the object that we have chosen to use, it must be the same. Okay, for example, I cannot use a pencil here, then I come and use, let's say, a book, because there it will give me a wrong measurement. So I must choose something that is the same and I use it to measure the length. Okay. All right. So let's do some practice here. And this is on page 11. It is on page 11 of your textbook. Page 11. Do and learn. Fill in each box with the correct number. Fill in each box with the correct number. Okay, look at this paint brush. What is its length? The paintbrush is about, let's count and see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's about 4 paper clips long. So we write 4. Okay. Part B. Look at this pair of scissors. What is its length? Now here we are using buttons. So let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we say that the pair of scissors is about 7 buttons long. So we have to write 7. Okay. All right. Look at part C. The ice cream cone is about, what is the length? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we write 6. Okay. Actually, we call this height. The height of this ice cream cone is about 6 cubes tall. Okay. All right. Now move on to page number 12. Move on to page 12 for your exercise. Page 12. Okay. Now fill in each box with the correct number. So we are having the box of sandwiches, and we need to see what is its length. And here we are using different tools. Here we are having like match boxes. Here we are having paper clips. And here we have got some circles here. So let's see. A, the box of sandwiches is about how many of these? Count and write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's count again to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you write here 16. Okay. Now go ahead and answer part B and part C. Okay. Now, look at this picture. One matchbox. Okay. It's about how many of these circles? Let's see, this is one, and let's see how many circles do we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it's about 4. Okay. Now go ahead and answer part E and part F. Okay. Okay, move on to page number 13. Page 13. Okay, fill in the boxes. 1 square stands for 1 unit. Now we have got ribbons S, R, Q, and T. So ribbon P is how many units long? So this is unit P, sorry, ribbon P, and we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 units long. Okay, now you can answer part B, part C, part D. Okay, now ribbon dash is as long as ribbon dash. When we say as long as, it means that these two ribbons have got the same length. So which two ribbons have got the same length? Yes. So look at ribbon. Let's see ribbon P. Ribbon P has 7. What about ribbon S? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, that's not correct. S and P not correct. Let's see ribbon T and ribbon R. Let's see. T is okay, so let's try to count ribbon T and ribbon R. Let's see. Ribbon T has how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try ribbon R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see? So they have the same length. So we say that ribbon T is as long as ribbon R. Okay. So the last part is arrange ribbons P, Q, R, and S in order from the shortest to the longest. So you begin from the shortest ribbon to the longest ribbon. Okay. So I will give you a hint. So the shortest ribbon, it is ribbon Q. So I write here Q. So go ahead and complete the rest. Okay. Now we are going to stop here for our lesson. And when we meet again next time, we will talk about measuring length with standard units. So thank you and have a good day. Goodbye.